Hey folks, Mike Sakey of Rovithis Realty here at 100 Hillside Avenue in Vernon, Connecticut. Come on in and check out this beautiful house. This home features an open concept living room and dining room with wood burning fireplace, an eat-in kitchen with entrance to the updated back deck. In addition, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the first floor. The lower level features another full bathroom, a second kitchen with a stove and a refrigerator, a laundry room, a large finished family room, and a walkout to your backyard. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful home. If you have any questions about this house or any other house, just call me at the number below. Have a great day.